So are you somebody who is going to be selling their Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, or maybe giving it away to somebody else, or maybe just like me, you're going to be trading it in against the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, or maybe you're just somebody who is wanting to know how to do a factory reset of your S25 Ultra? Well, that is exactly what I'm going to show you right now in this video. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do in order to factory reset your S25 Ultra is to go to settings. Now, if you know where settings is, just go straight there. If you don't know where it is, no problems. From the home screen here, if we just swipe up from the bottom, we're going to see a search bar here. So just type into that search bar settings. So tap in and then start typing in settings, and as you start typing settings in, it will prompt you up here for settings. So let's just tap into settings. Now from here we need to start scrolling down through the settings until we find the option of general management. So just carry on scrolling down and then you're going to find general management. So let's just tap into general management. Now from here, what we need to do is to just scroll down slightly until we get to reset. We'll tap into reset. Then again from here, what we're going to do is to just scroll down a bit here. Now we're going to see a number of different options for reset here, such as reset all settings or reset mobile network settings. Well, they're just going to reset very specific things on the phone. However, what we need to do is do a complete factory reset. So we want to select the bottom option here, which is factory data reset. So let's tap into here. Now once we tap into here, it is going to start telling us about all the apps and the emails and the accounts that are on this phone, and these are the things that are going to get deleted from the phone. Now just to be super clear, things such as your Google account will get deleted from this phone. However, your Google account itself does not get deleted. So to be super clear, it is only things on this phone that get deleted. Nothing will affect your Google account. Okay, so what we need to do is to just start scrolling down through here. Again, it'll just start showing us all the apps and stuff that are going to be deleted from the phone and reset and stuff. So what we're going to do here at the bottom is to tap on reset. Now this is going to require the PIN for the phone, so go ahead and put in the PIN for your phone. Now once we're on this next page here, we're going to see delete all. So tap onto delete all. Now at this point, it is going to ask us to put in the password for our Samsung account. So go ahead and put in your password. And once you have typed in your password, just tap on done. Okay, now what's going to happen here is the phone is going to close itself down, and so it may actually restart again, but basically what's happening at this point right now is that the phone is wiping all of the internal data, and it is just resetting the phone again back to the way it would have come from the factory. Now I'm just going to fast forward through this just to give you an idea of what it looks like once it gets to the end of the resetting. Okay, so the phone is now finished doing its resetting, and what we can see on the screen right now is the exact same screen that you would see when you buy a brand new phone. So right now our phone is now factory reset.